Well, guys, it is a drought and about 98 degrees. So we're going creek fishing in this freaking hot, droughty days in my squeaky shoes I got on, my wading shoes. Ultralight tackle, 6-pound test, and see if we can have some fun and might catch something in the creek here.
Brandon sucks.
Oh my God.
Bait mister. Brandon can't catch. I couldn't catch one in the swimming pool right now. Why am I referring to myself in the third party?
It's the heat, man. It's
Did you see that?
Yeah. Did it feel the hook?
Yeah.
It's the heat.
I need something that will hook themselves. Oh, look back. Hit it, you mangy looking thing. Come on. Put some effort into it. I'm getting away. Hurry. There you go.
Oh, gosh.
I'm crying behind these glasses. It's a big sun I do.
Wow, boy, that's... Yeah.
That's all I can catch today. It's been freaking
Look what a freaking... I call them sun bellies or pumpkin seeds. Oh, that freaking thing wasn't coming loose.
nice.
Dang,
Sun.
put your hand up to how big that is.
Oh.
Oh my God. That is a giant pumpkin seed. Hold it up here and I'll get you a picture like this. Good deal. Okay.
Thank you.
In 6 inches of water.
Sun-eye. Warmouth. And you're hooked in the bag, so. Yeah.
Number 2, and we fished a river all over the place and only caught one. Next. You don't want to fish it. You seriously don't want to fish it. You're afraid of another sun-eye. Oh, take those 2-inch water casts. The temperature has dropped 15 degrees under his trees. I welcome the trees right now. Okay, Brandon's doing the squat like he's fly fishing. Oh, come on, that's perfect for a little one. Oh, come on.
I can't fish. I'm about to seriously quit.
Every time we go to a creek, he's a great fisherman, but when he goes to a creek, he judges himself.
This is beautiful.
Oh, that's a smallmouth.
This is what's hurting me. I can see him. And I when I see him grab it, I act like I can see him better without him. That's what I come out of there with.
Hey, it's a fish. On one, look at that right there. Show him. Show him. On one of my squirrel jigs I've tied. The old squirrel hair. Yes, sir. I'm thinking to my knees.
Are we going or not? Does it get better past that? Oh my God, disgusting. Yeah, that was on the head.
That soon as it hit. honestly, I didn't even know I had it. What about that?
Saw on that rock. Oh no. But oh yes.
We look like somebody had just monorail for the first freaking time. Look at that lady in that lip. It's 4 inches of water.
I got good fish.
Yeah, we don't know what we're doing.
Here, take this.
Huh? I swear, we just lose all sense of fishing when we get in a creek or a crack. But a pretty little smallmouth on the crazy shad looking little bait by H2OX from Academy Sports. Pretty little smallmouth. We're gonna venture on.
Keep hearing something up there.
I do too. Something's following us.
I see it. It's a squirrel.
We got a squack following us. Squack!
I'm calling it right here. Why can't I be good at fishing? You're so bored of my turn that you're filming the kudzu. I wouldn't film me either.
You don't care if I put this in a video?
No. Go ahead. I want people to bully me out of fishing.
I told you. When we're fishing creeks, we lose all sense of fishing.
I can't get a fish. I get shiners hitting mine, and it tears me up. Now I'm probably got to be knotting this spool. Call me the Shine.
That's your name. Gosh, I smell funk. Where's it at?
Oh, now it's on. See it?
Nope. Horsefly attack. Oh my, you know you had that. Did you? You was wanting it to get off, wasn't you?
No. You said you wouldn't count this.
Bull crap.
You just said you wouldn't count
I
it.
didn't say I was counting nothing. I was biting a horsefly.
You said if I caught one in
I
the
said if you
creek.
catch one there, I'll catch one before we get to the tunnel. Don't worry about it.
What fish?
Bullshit. Give me the pole.
Cast it for that logs. Cast right there by that bumper.
I'm going to. I'm going to dissect every place down through here.
Let it sit there for 30 seconds so a little moron can grab it. Yes.
Yes. It's the same one. I didn't get to touch mine.
Give me that reel. That was the smoothest transition. We didn't even have to
You are horrible. I didn't get touched the one I caught. He did.
I didn't touch it.
Huh? Yeah, he did.
Like,
God, it's hot.
I'm trying to get over it.
There at that log over there
Yeah.
is where you're going to get one. Right there.
This is like punishment fishing, and we know there's smallmouth down there, but we can't.
Right down there.
Of course, she ain't gonna unhook itself.
Good. Good. See what you got. Oh, when you have to pinky hold it, look at that. Yeah. That's, anybody would want that right there. Hey, there's some bucketers out there that would eat that.
Looks like you got a loop. See it? Worst thing you could have done. I thought you had one.
I do have one. That sun's gonna stay that way. I was hoping it came up. Oh, that's a decent one. I'll take that. We're getting in warmouth country now, brother. Look at that.
I'm glad it didn't come off.
That warmouth with them colors.
Let him go so I can have my turn.
We're admiring it. Warmouth. One came up on it. Told you. Got him. What we got? Did I not call it? When I tapped you on the shoulder, that meant a follower.
Just a normal freaking bluegill. Not even a special.
Oh God, that you suck. If you don't get a warmouth, you suck. No, you've been the bluegill sun pumpkin seed all day. We know where to get bait for catfish. Next. Oh, they're chasing. Get out of there, could you? Boy, they know wherever hiding spot is in these creeks. Look at it. Look where he's wanting to go.
He's gushing.
Why?
I don't know. I got it.
There we go. Must have cut him right in there with the fire line or something, because I had him hooked in the mouth. That ain't, or got him in the gill with the fire line or something. But we're gonna let him go. Hopefully he'll recover from that. Yeah, he'll be all right. He got nicked with the line. Yeah, right there's line up the blood, or blood up the line. It is freaking hot today. It's 98 with a heat index of like 101. Everything's just stale. Nothing's moving. Just a freaking heat wave, dog day, / whatever you want to call it. Heat wave, but we caught some. If you liked the video, hope you subscribe to our channel. A lot more jig making coming down the line, fishing. Gonna be doing some hunting this fall. Brandon there, turn around. Brandon got an elk tag, didn't he?
Hopefully it goes better than my creek fishing.
He got a bull or cow elk tag with a bow, and we're going to be bringing that right here on the YouTube channel, going after one of these Kentucky elk. So I hope everybody stays tuned for that. Oh, lucky dog. Glad he got drawed. But anyway, we're going to get out of here. I'm going to go home and take a shower. Probably try to find some leeches on my feet. We'll see you next one.